Have you ever thought of putting together a gift basket for a friend or a relative for Christmas? It's a lot of fun and it's a lot easier and more affordable than you think. I want to show you how easy it is to put together some affordable gift baskets for gift giving this Christmas.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby.
Now, I love Christmas. I love gift giving. I actually remember the first time I ever made a gift, and it was for my mom, and it was something that I made out of toilet paper. I know that sounds silly, but just the feeling that I got from making something and gifting it to my mom. And to me, that is the best part about Christmas, being able to share a gift that you've put a lot of thought into giving to someone that's close to you. And I know that's different starting off with a story, but I just wanted to share that with you and give you a little bit of a background of why I love Christmas so much. To me, it's all about the creation. And speaking of creation, let me show you how to make a sign like this. So I had some scrap wood, and then I had these wood ornaments that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were in a set of 6, I believe. I painted the Mary white, and then using some wood glue, I secured it to the scrap piece of wood. Next, I came back with some embellishments. I love embellishing things like this. And I started by tying together some jute twine, and then I just secured it to the top of the sign as well as down the front of the sign. The hot glue really helps it to stay in place. Not only will this be something nice to add to a gift basket, but it's something that the gift recipient can continue to use year after year. Once I was done with the jute twine, then I just took some pieces of pine and glued them to the front of the sign along with a jute bow. And then I took some pip berries that I had cut off from that strand and I just secured them in place. And now I have something really nice to add to a gift basket. Now, when I'm making a gift basket, I try to think about the recipient. I think about who's going to be using the gift basket, and then I try to personalize it so that they'll enjoy it, and it'll spread a little bit of happiness. Let me give you an example. This is a gift basket made for a dog lover. So I got the basket at the Dollar Tree, then I added in some snacks. Actually, my dogs were watching while I was putting this together, and they totally approved of the toy that was in this gift basket. I think they wanted it for themselves. So I just added in some toys that were already grouped together in a stocking. It's much more affordable to buy it that way. So I put some treats and some toys into the basket, and that is pretty much it. This is so awesome. They have these little containers at the Dollar Tree. So I just filled them up for my hot cocoa gift basket. And I filled up 2 of the containers with the Swiss Miss hot cocoa. Then I found this peppermint dust. This stuff is delicious and it makes really nice peppermint hot cocoa. But I don't know if everybody likes peppermint hot cocoa, so I'm going to keep it separated in a container all on its own. Then I found these Jet Puff mini marshmallows. They are so cute, and I put those into a container. And I found the gift box at Hobby Lobby, and then I had that hot cocoa sign. I think I got it on Temu. I added in a couple of Dollar Tree mugs, and I put in a couple of pair of socks. These were really nice socks that were on sale on Black Friday. Then I just added in all of the ingredients for some peppermint hot cocoa, along with some really pretty gold spoons that I had tied a red bow onto. Next, I added in some pine pieces. And a few bottle brush trees, and now I have a hot cocoa basket ready to gift. Now I know someone that's really into crafting, and I had this box that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. So what I did was paint it and make it really pretty and festive and green. And now I'm just going to add in lots of different crafting supplies that I know this individual will really be able to use. And when doing something like this, if you use the double-sided sticky tape from Dollar Tree, you can actually put the pieces how you want them to be and they will stay that way. It's so much fun to be able to really style a basket like this. And I've never made a craft basket before, but I think the recipient will be very happy with this. These are all things that I love to use when I'm crafting, and I think for a new crafter, they will be a very happy addition to their craft room. And at Dollar Tree, they have these cellophane bags. So if you want to do like a gift basket like this one, you can a little bit easier. And the bag is really large. So once you have the container inside, then you can add lots of little extras, which is always fun. I took a Dollar Tree Christmas scarf. It's like a Santa scarf, and I just tied that to the front of the package. And I wanted to make it festive, so I did add in some Christmas ornaments as well. Now, have you ever made candles for Christmas? It is so easy. I love making candles and they're easy to do and you don't even need a double boiler. So I got this set on Amazon. I melted down the wax. And then I made some candles. I found the little votive holders and they were in a pack of 6. And then I found some really pretty bowls at Goodwill. And I just added the melted wax to each of my new candle holders. I also added in a little bit of fragrance oil so the candles will have a nice scent. An easy gift is to give a mug filled with something. So I have a couple of coworkers. So what I did was take a couple of mugs that were more to their personality, and I put a nice pair of very soft socks in each of the mugs. And I added in a few extras that I know that they'll really enjoy. And again, I used that Dollar Tree double-sided sticky stuff. It's like tape, but it's foam in the center. And I just used a little bit of that on each of the pieces that I'm adding to these mugs. And I also had to do a little bit of something extra. So the little marshmallow characters that I showed you in my last video, this is what they were for. And I added in a couple of Christmas extras like some bottle brush trees, an ornament, and another little Christmas sign that I made. This is a very affordable gift option that you can put together quickly and be able to come up with a small gift in a short amount of time. Now, one of my favorite things to make for gift giving at Christmas time is homemade vanilla. It is so easy to make. You just use vodka and vanilla beans, and the longer it sits, the better it gets. So I have been preparing this vanilla since the middle of July, and all I have to do is put it into some amber glass bottles. And I added in a little bit of cut vanilla pieces so that it can continue to strengthen the vanilla flavor. And once the bottles were filled, then I printed off some labels that say homemade vanilla, and I just put those on the front of the bottles of vanilla. Again, this is a really easy gift idea that you can do simply with vodka and vanilla beans, and you can have a very thoughtful gift. And this takes more time than it does money, really, because if you start like brewing the vanilla in July, it'll be ready in about 90 days. And even though it does take a lot of time that way, putting together a gift bag with a little bit of homemade vanilla in it is something that everyone I have given it to has been very grateful for. And I found these bags at the Dollar Tree. They were 3 for $1.25, which is perfect to put this vanilla into. So I just put 1 vanilla into each of these bags. And then I added a little Christmas ornament or some decor piece that I had made. And I sealed each bag with just a little bit of tape on the top. And now I have a lot of packages that are all ready to go, so these would make really nice hostess gifts as well. Now I got this container at the Dollar Tree and I spray painted it with silver spray paint. And I'm going to use one of those cellophane bags that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to fill up the basket. I find that if I have a big basket like this, it's a lot easier to put the basket into the bag first and then start filling it up. Now for this gift, it's for a couple, and I wanted to make sure that I was going to be adding things that they could really use. And while the gifts may not be Christmas related, I know that these are things that they'll be able to use, especially this spring and summer. And I like to put together gift baskets like this because they're a little bit different. They're not necessarily just all food items, but I put a lot of thought into the things that I wanted to get them. Now, if you go to the Dollar Tree, you'll see a lot of their products have the $1.25 that's on there. It's not a removable sticker, but if you have another sticker, like a Christmas sticker, you can put over top of it, and then you can disguise the price. And once I have the gift basket all full or almost full, then that's when I'm going to add the extras like the Mary sign along with some pine pieces to give it a more festive look. And once I have the bag sealed, I do like to add bows, and these bows are so easy to use and they are so pretty. Yes, I could use the ribbon that I have in my craft room to make some bows, but I have a lot to do this time of year, so I want to work a little bit smarter and not harder, so that's why I use bows like this. Now, have you ever thought of giving a gift basket to a new mom or an expectant mom? I had never really thought about doing that, but I do have someone in my life that's getting ready to have a baby. So I thought it would be fun to put together some things in a gift basket that a new mom might need. And some of these things came from the Dollar Tree, some came from Goodwill, and of course some were new. Now I found this adorable little toy, but I didn't want to keep it in the packaging. The toy is brand new, but if you're a new mom, you've got a lot of things to do and you don't want to take toys out of packages. And once I had the basket full, I was out of bags at the moment, but the Dollar Tree did have this clear cellophane wrap. So I just took that cellophane wrap and wrapped it around the basket. Where there were places where the cellophane was a little bit short, I used some tape to seal it up so that it looks like it's all one piece. And here is a gift basket. I added a bow that wasn't necessarily Christmas, and I think it's adorable, and I really hope she enjoys this. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope I've inspired you to make some gift baskets for Christmas this year. You can even make spaghetti dinner baskets. These are so much fun to make. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the bell notification. That way you'll get an alert when I have a new video coming out. You've still got lots of time to put together gift baskets like this for your friends and family. And like I said, you don't have to spend a lot of money. Just think about what your friends and family want, and you can make some beautiful personalized gift baskets for Christmas this year, or for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or just to let someone know that you're thinking about them. Like I said, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So until next time, happy crafting!